What up, world? What up? Where's your girl Camaro Key, aka the Rim Lady, and I'm back with another video. This weekend's trip, run to the sun. We got Big Al Bundy out here and Big Phil. We drove Big Phil down here. I wanted to give y'all a tour of the house. The house so dope. So dope. So you know we finna be lit the whole weekend. Close by the water. We right here. Yeesh. They look bad sitting up here, don't they? So dope. Let's check out this house, though. Let's go. Garage. We ain't gonna go through the garage, though. We gotta go through the front, though, right? The front, though. Let's check it out. So I don't break my neck first. So check it. Oh, my goodness. Don't mind my shoes. They new. Got a little squeak, my J's. But look, y'all. Check it out. This thing's so dope. So dope. Yeah. So dope. Garage door. Half bath. Kinda late. Half bath. Okay. Big closet or laundry room. Supposedly the laundry room. We don't need that. We good. Alright. Since we right here at the bottom, gonna stay at the bottom, let's check out outside. Eesh. Look at that. What's Stitch doing? What is he doing? He getting us ready for the night.
Y'all see it? We turning up tonight.
Party.
We turning up tonight. I'm going to get me some Malibu.
Yeah, this thing pretty dope. Let's go upstairs and check it out. I got more for you. They got it decked out real nice. And it's only 4 of us. But we got room for others if need be. But we ain't inviting nobody to spend the night. This ours. There's more diggity room. That's their room. That's another bedroom. Bath. Suite to another bedroom. You know? Like, man. Come back out in the hallway. Another bedroom. So dope. We already got it booked for next year. Full bath. So yeah. So dope. And I'm finna come in here and peek in Mo master bathroom because Stitch was bragging about it. I got a peekaboo right quick. Sheesh. Double vanity, dope shower, jacuzzi tub. And you know, you gotta be closed off when you letting it go. So dope. I don't even wanna unpack. But that's about that on that. This is the tour. Y'all stay tuned. We'll keep you posted on the turn up tonight. We gotta go get the beverages and some food. But we got an eventful weekend planned. It's Run to the Sun 2024. We here, baby. It's about that on that. It's your girl, Camaro Key, aka the Rim Lady. I'll be back in 3.